Good morning to all. With the omnipresent of the God, Lord, Guru, and omnipresent of the Lord, Mahalakshmi, I am the ALP astrologer, Sri Guru, Sivagasi Kalimuthu. Now I am presenting one Jadaha in Akshaya Lakshana Pattadi, Akshaya Lagna Pattadi method, astrology. This is the one male horoscope chart. Now he is 31 years age old. Okay, he is ready for marriage, but no bride come. Okay, he asked why my marriage will delay. Okay, now we analyze his chart in the method of ALP astrology. ALP astrology is invented by our teacher Mr. Podudai Murthy sir. Okay, the inventor is Mr. Podudai Murthy sir. In birth chart, the lagna in Uttara Palguni. Now his age is nearest to 31. Okay, every box, that means 12 Rashi Chakra Katas, each box 10 years. Okay, this is the method of ALP. Each every year the Lagna moving to another Lagna, each 10 years. Okay, in this manner our ALP astrology will give correct result to the Jadakar. Okay, now the male, his age is 31. Now his Lagna will fall on Dhanush. His Lagna Pulli, that means Lagna point. Okay, Mula 2. Okay, Dhanush ALP. Okay, Dhanush means Guru, Jupiter. Jupiter where? From Dhanush to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He is in 10th place. Okay, that's why the Jadahar, it means Jupiter. Okay, that is in 10th. Oh, that's why the Jadahar will be in stress in his job. Okay, another one, his body will run by Mula Nakshatra. That's why Mula means Kedu. Kedu in the place of 6th place. That's why Jadahar taking decisions in a wrong way. Why wrong way? The Mula Nakshatra Kedu in 6th place. That's why the decision taken by Jadahar is always wrong. Okay. In this manner, the marriage when happened, he raised a question. We told him when Mula 2 and Mula 3 running, அதாவது Mula 3 will come in August month, August 24. That's why from August 24, bride will come. Another one matter is in 12th places, the 11th place of Chukra, that means நம்முடைய Mercury and Venus, both are in 7th place. அதாவது 11th god in 7th place. That's why the remarriage bride will come to marry him. Okay, the first grade lady will come to marry the 11th place of god in 7th place. சரிங்களா? அதே, so that's why the bride will come in some critical manner. Okay, now the Jadahar Jupiter in 10th house. That's why and Kedu in 6th place. That's why Jadahar not taking correct decision. So marriage late. Okay. Now what we tell, when Moola 2 end, Moola 3 start, the bride will come. At that time we can start the marriage. Okay. Marriage will completed in super way. Okay. That's why the easiest way of astrology in nowadays is ALP astrology. How we determine, அதாவது செவன்த் பிளேஸ் joined with 11th place god. So remarriage bride will waiting for the marriage for this jadakar. Okay. Jadakar will ready to marry a remarriage bride. Then his marriage will super, because now the Jupiter, the Dhanush Akshay is starting Lagna god in 10th place. So she is always in stress, and Mula Nakshatra Kedu in 6th place. So his decision will always wrong. Okay. That's why somebody to motivate to marry like this girl, remarriage girl, then his future will super. Okay. Another one point is Rahu in 12th place. That's why what we say, one policeman, auditing woman, okay, nursing woman, doctors woman, like this bride will come to marry you. Okay. uh, Gather the astrology, gather the horoscope like this women's, this will easy to marriage. Okay. That's like we tell the astrology. uh, thanks for all. Okay. Subscribe our channel and regularly watch this like of videos. Okay. Thank you.